here showing you the Minecraft villager that comes with an anvil. So here's the villager. Looks pretty awesome, huh? And here is the anvil. Yes, finally.
Daddy, I agree under the bus. He told me that when I wasn't feeling well.
And you can take off his head. I figured this out when I was playing with it. And then took off this, because he's a blacksmith. And you just put back on his head.
I'm sorry, Dad. You could have.
I don't have an apron on.
I was thinking about it.
Hi.
Oh, Dad, please don't.
No, let's just put this stuff back on. Before it turns 1 minute. It's 1 minute. Wait, it's 1 minute. Here is the last final things. It's just like, this is a mistake. Uh-oh, and well, that was my villager video. So, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's try to get 5,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!